Good morning, students. In the statistics, you learn how to calculate the dispersion, that is distance measures of dispersion, in which you learn how to calculate the dispersion by range method and the quartile deviation. Now, next measures of dispersion, that is called average measures of dispersion, median average, mean average dispersion, that is called mean deviation. So what is that mean deviation? Mean deviation is ascertained on the basis of the averages of the observed value of the series. As it is mentioned here, mean deviation is arithmetic average of the deviations. Mean, first of all, we will calculate the arithmetic average or arithmetic mean, and from that mean we will calculate the deviations from the x, and then average of these observed value, mean deviations of the observed value from an average of these observed values. So that is called mean deviation, which can be calculated on the basis of average mean and the median. What formula we uses? We see that formula, and then after we will solve some questions on it in the indivisible series. Indivisible series. That is mean deviation from the mean, that is called average mean, which is presented by the x bar, and second is mean deviation from the median, that is usually used as the m, median, and sign of the mean deviation is, that is md, or sometimes it is written as sigma, right? That is mean deviation. So the formula is used. First of all, step 1, you should calculate the average mean, that is summation x upon n. Calculate the mean in both. In it, first you calculate the median, that is n plus 1 by 2, and nth class, nth item you will find, and in the size of items, which nth item is, that is called median. Then we use the formula step 2, that is finding the deviations, deviation from the mean, and deviation from the mean is summation x minus x bar, or sigma x minus x bar, that is called deviation. And step 3, average of the deviations, that is md is equal to deviation from the mean upon n, from the mean upon n. That should be presented in the absolute figure or absolute data, ignoring the algebraic sign, that is plus and minus. So it should not be here. That is called MD, deviation from the mean. First you calculate the mean, then find the deviations from x minus x bar, and the total of that deviation ignoring algebraic sign plus and minus, then divided by 10, that is the average of the deviation from the mean. Average of the deviation from the mean, that is called mean deviation. And step 1 is first of all find the median, and then step 2 is deviation from the median, that is x minus median. And then here also we will put the absolute figure only, ignoring the algebraic sign plus and minus. Then MD is equal to deviation from the median upon n. This is the formula to calculate the mean deviation. This is one formula in individual series. Now see, in the discrete series, here the same process. Step 1, first we will find the mean, that is f into x upon sigma f, that is called mean in the mean average, that is mean we have to calculate in the discrete series. Now deviation from the mean we will find whatever the actual mean found, that is x minus x bar, and then here we will find the FD deviation from the mean. In first, each deviation from the mean will be multiplied by f, then whatever product we will get, then that is the total of f deviation from the mean upon summation f or sigma f, that is the mean deviation. In it also, in the median, the first of all discrete series have been given, then in that case we will convert the frequencies in the cumulative frequency, and then from the cumulative frequency whatever we get, we will find the median number, and that median number when once found, means first of all convert it into the cumulative frequency, then n plus 1 by 2, that is total frequencies. Total of frequencies is called n plus 1 by 2, nth item we will get, and we will find the median number from the size of items. And then here median, we will find deviation from the median, x minus median, and here we will put in the formula, that is deviation from the median by writing the frequencies, and the frequencies into deviation from the median. Median frequency into, here also we will ignore the plus and minus sign. So we will take the one example from it, your book, and then after we will solve it. Now we will take the example from your book and we will solve the questions to understand it, the individual series and in the discrete series. See, one question under the individual series. Individual series, example number 8 being given, expenditures. These X items are given 36, 48, 60, 72. $78, 84, 90. $102. These items are given. Now this is introduced raise. Then we will find first, that is mean deviation from the mean average mean, and in it mean deviation from the median. Now see, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items are there. What we will find? We have to calculate the mean. So first of all, you total all these. $570. The total of it is 570. 36, 48, 60, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96 is missing. 96 is missing now. 96 and 102. 8 and 9 items. One was missing. Now, $666. Then x bar equal to 666 upon 9. This we got. Now find it. 9 7 ja 63. 9 4 ja 36. 74 is the actual mean. Then see it. Once mean is calculated, then again I am writing here 36, 48, 60, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102. This is x. Same thing is there here. I have just copied it. This is x. As the mean is known, you have to find the deviation from the mean. And this is x minus x bar. X 36 and 74, it is minus 38. But we should ignore while calculating the mean deviation this algebraic sign. Don't write the plus minus, it means that is absolute figure. This is 26, 14, 2, 4, 10, 16, 12, 22, 22, and this is 28. This is the deviation from the mean. Now this is totaled. We will get deviation from the mean without taking the or putting the sign of algebraic sign, that is in the absolute figure. Remember it in while calculating the mean deviation. $160. Then mean deviation equal to summation deviation from mean, that is the same which that I have written, that is sign of without algebraic sign. N 160 upon 9. Find this difference of it. 9 1 ja 9. 7. 9 7 ja 63. 9 7 ja 63. 9 7 ja 63. This is the mean deviation 17.7 rupees. It should be presented in the rupee. I am writing here upper rupee 77.77 because it is given the expenditures in rupees. Expenditure in rupee. That is easy one. Now same thing in the mean deviation. Guys, the expenditures are there. Expenditure in rupee 36 is already arranged. 48, 60, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102. These are 9 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So first of all we have to calculate the median. Median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, that is 9 plus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2, mean fifth item. Fifth item is this one. 78 is the median. Median is 78. Now we will find the deviation from the median. Deviation from the median, that is x minus median. So that is median is 78. 36 is minus 78. (42). Ignore sign, minus sign or plus sign. 30, 18, 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Now to total it. Division from the median. Here you can also put this one. The total of it is 156. The mean deviation is equal to deviation from the median upon n, 156 upon 9, 9 1 9, 9 7 63, 9 3 27, 9 3 27. That is rupees 17.33 in the mean deviation. This is the calculation of mean deviation in the both mean deviation from the mean and mean deviation from the median in the individual series. Now we will see in the discrete series. In the discrete series, psi of item is given along with the frequencies. So first of all, we will accumulate all the frequencies. Given frequencies are accumulated, that is converted into the cumulative frequency. Now see the one example, that is example number 9. Expenditures on stationery. Expenditure on stationery. It's X and number of students who are spending the money on the stationery, that is 36, 48, same 36, 48, 60, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96 and 102. Is this? Yes. The number of students are 4, 8, 12, 18. 4, 8, 12, 18, 20, 17, 11, 7, 3. 20, 17, 11, 7, 3. This is F. So see, one by one I will do it. First of all, we have to calculate mean deviation from the mean. From the mean, we have to find the mean. That is, mean formula is fx upon f. The total of f is hundred. This is given 100. Then in order to find this one, we will find the fx. F into x, multiply it. Total it. $7,500. The mean is 7,500 upon 100. That is 75. This is the mean. Then after, we will find the deviation from the x. Deviation from the x. See it. Mean is equal to 75. Deviation from x. Deviation from x. That is x minus x bar. That is 75 minus it 39, 15, 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. This is the division. Ignore the sign. Then we will get f division from x. Frequency and deviation from x. Division from mean. Total is 1212. Now mean deviation. The formula is frequency division from mean upon f, that is upon 100, 121.2 rupees. Sorry, 12.12 rupees. 12.12 rupees. This is the mean division from the mean. Same we can use in the mean division from the median. See now. It's clear now? Mean deviation from the median. Now, mean deviation from median. First of all, this frequency is converted to the cumulative frequency. 4, 12, 24, 42, 62, 79, 90, 97 and 100. Then to find the median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. It is 100 upon 2, the 50th item. The 50 lies under this cumulative frequency, and the size of item before this cumulative frequency is 78. So median is written at 78. Now we'll find the deviations and then frequency FDM. Now see, median is 78 now. It is equal to 78. Deviation from the median, that is x minus median, and median is 78. This 42, 30, 18, 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Then FDM multiply FDM. This is frequency into deviation from the median. (1164). Now mean deviation is equal to F division from the median upon summation F equal to 164 upon 100, that is rupees 11.64. This is mean deviation. Is it clear now?